Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to remove smart handle on Lexus UX. First we need remove the door panel. Okay, after when we remove the door panel, we need stripping lot of things. So let's start with the lock electric wire loom, and this one, just turn it, pull out these 3 clips. Okay, we unplug this. Okay, then we need a 10mm ratchet for remove this metal piece what is holding the door card. Okay, and then we can start take off this plastic. All the model maybe have a nylon here, but no, this UX, maybe other Lexus model, but this is help more reduce the street noise. Okay, and then we remove this what is just need pressing. Just need press together and very easy to come off. And then we do the same things in the bottom. Okay, and then here. This one more tricky, a little bit. And yeah, nothing broke, only the different things. Other clips need to pressing this way, and this one need to pressing in the middle. Okay, and now you can see the mechanism. So we need to first open this plastic, little bit squeeze, and then we need to remove. This is the electric for the smart handle. The best things, put in the flat screwdriver, just very gently open, and then release this half. Okay, and now we just press in and turn it little bit, but try pull the screwdriver this way, and with the right hand just pulling the cable. looks like this. It's very easy to come off. Okay, the next step is we need to take off this. This plastic cover. Okay, and behind plastic we have a T30 screw. What is just need a release. Just don't worry, it doesn't come off. Okay, so now the handle ready to come off. Looks like this. Okay, and then we can take off this plastic cap and the rubbers. And voila. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.